Well, hello, good morning everyone, thanks for being here. Today we are going to talk about our configuration tool, which is called Maps, okay, which offers the possibility to have easy and reliable multi-protocol integrations. Basically, we will talk a little bit just before the software, directly just about the gateway, so to have an overview. Then we will discuss the advantages of using our tool. Then we will provide you some examples for the available integrations, and we will close that with some conclusions. Well, regarding the gateway, as you can see here, basically it has a nice, simple interface. Okay, so we offer multiple ports for communication, Ethernet port, just to provide BACnet IP, configuration of the box, Modbus TCP, okay, any kind of protocol that works over Ethernet. Okay, we have also these simple and neat LED indicators just for status and control. Okay, and we have two important features without a USB console port for the configuration of the box. So in case that you have no Ethernet connection, which nowadays for some small laptops is something quite common. Okay, and you will not need any specific or special port for configuration, just a standard USB. And finally, another USB storage port, which is used for log. So in case you have any kind of troubleshooting issue, so you don't have to leave the laptop making log, so you can leave the USB stick and use that for logging. And also in case you have to upgrade the firmware, you can use this same USB connection. Well, basically, the gateway has a common platform for the different versions that we have for multi-protocols, so BACnet, Modbus, Connex, all these kinds of integration. From the outside, they look mostly the same, okay? In the case of BACnet, now that we are here, okay, we will focus more on the BACnet gateways. Has BTL certification, which you might know how important it is just to get in some projects, okay? Then the current revision is 12, but we are already working on 14. In fact, it's already ready, but we are waiting for the certification. The type of device is a BACnet Advanced Application Controller. Okay, we offer both BACnet IP and BACnet MSTP communication. And for those that require more demanding projects, we offer some extra BACnet properties, just like trend logs, notification classes, schedules. Okay, so in case you require any of these special features from the BACnet side, you can do that with our gateways. Finally, we also include in the same box some network functionality, just like the PPMD, and also for in-device support. Okay, so now let's get into the software itself, okay, and some of the advantages. Okay, so the idea is that as we have one, let's say, similar common gateway, we also will have one single configuration software, just to make that, okay? So the idea is that we have what we call maps, okay, which stands for multi-addressing point solution. Okay, and the idea with that software is just to offer the opportunity just to make simple the integration from different protocols, okay? The idea is that using the software, we can communicate with the box, okay? Apart, of course, of sending and doing the programming of the integration, okay? We can monitor and control communications with all the protocols connected to the box, okay? And thanks to that, we can do some testing and troubleshooting, okay? The idea of that is that we don't provide only gateways, okay? So we are providing integration solutions. So what do we offer? What we have is a project template. Okay, the idea is that integrators do not need to start from scratch. Okay, so you can just simply start from a, let's say, model or template of a project. Okay, so in case you need to do any integration, we already provide you some examples of the signals that you can use. So it's more easier for the integrator just to know which kind of signal, the different types and variables that they can use. Okay. Apart from that, we have quite easy connection with the box. Okay, so we offer different possibilities. We offer IP connection, okay, so just to make the configuration, then the monitoring, and also USB connection, as we have already explored, okay? Explained, sorry. The idea is that the software detects automatically the boxes, okay, so you don't have to look for them. So we automatically scan the network where the box is connected to, and sorry, the PC, and when it finds the box, it's available in a list, so you can directly select it. More things, signals, okay? This is the core of the software itself, okay? In this section is where you will be able, which is corresponds with the screenshot that we have here, okay? It's where you will list all the available signals that you will have to integrate, okay? So basically you will have one list for the external or one of the protocols, okay? And the other one for the internal protocol, so the secondary protocol. Okay. So basically, the idea here is you will be able to select the different parameters for the different protocols, the addresses, okay, and any special feature that you will need to include into each of the signals. Okay. Apart from that, another thing that we offer as well is a diagnostic tool, which is embedded in these maps. Okay, so that provides the integrator to useful things. The first one is that you have the chance, once you are in the installation or in the commissioning process, just to check that everything is working, and in case there's something which is not really working as expected, you can check the bus communication in both protocols, the internal one and the external one. Okay, so it's easier for everyone just to see what's going on. Apart from that, we have a special feature, okay, where you can just directly push a single button, okay, and the box is set automatically into diagnosis mode, and this will start logging information for the different buses, okay, and we'll store this information in a zip file that can be then sent to our support team. Okay, this helps a lot in order to improve the time of solving possible issues, so our team has all the data just in advance, so it has logs for the communication in both protocols, information about the box itself, the current firmware, and any other relevant information that our support team requires us to do that. Okay. Data recovery, although we always recommend just to have a copy, okay, or a backup of your projects, okay, in case that you miss them or there's any problem with the laptop. Now you have the chance just to recover this information from the box itself, okay. The projects are now stored in the box, so the idea is that in case you go to some facility where you have been working in and there's a box over there where you have missed the project, you can recover that project and then start from the point where this box is running at that moment, okay? This is also important in some protocols, just like in BACnet, where some of the configuration maybe change it online, okay, while the box is running. So in case someone has changed some of the parameters during the working standard mode of the box, you will recover the current ones at the moment. Know the parameters that you have set when commissioning the box. Okay, this is a bit tricky sometimes when you try to find out what's going on, but you have no clue, okay? Another important feature that we have also included is conversions, okay? How annoying is sometimes when you try to get the data with a precise number of digits or with some changes in magnitude, okay? So we offer here some conversions, so integrators can apply some logical functions, some mathematical functions to the values get from those protocols and adapt them to the value that they want to, okay? And this can be applied to every single signal or object. Okay. And last but not least, stay tuned. Okay, apart from the new section that appears when launching the software, okay, we also offer two, I think, important features regarding being updated. The first one is that once the software starts in the box, the laptop is connected to the internet, it will look for new versions if available, and in case they are, you have the chance to update it. But even more important, if you have the box connected to the Intesis box maps and you have internet connection, in case there is a new version of the firmware available, you can download it as well for free. So you are always with the possibility of having the latest firmware version at the moment. Okay, so let's go for some examples now, okay, of the different integrations that we have for BACnet. Okay, we have two types, I would say two big types of gateways. One are the BACnet servers. Okay, so we will act as BACnet servers. That means that this is focused to be using our gateways over a BMS based on BACnet. Okay, so the BACnet client will ask us for information. Okay, and what we are doing is integrating other protocols in this case. So a KNX already available installation or devices, Modbus meters, MBus meters, DALI ballast, okay? So here you have some sketches of the different integrations examples. So in this case, we have an example of a DALI bus, a DALI installation, okay? Where basically what we do is just check all the ballast, okay? In this case, the tool is quite powerful, okay? We offer a scan for the ballast, so you can scan the DALI bus and see which ballasts are present, select the ones you want to be integrated into the installation or the project, okay? We also have, as mentioned, KNX integration. So basically, if you already have one KNX project running and you want to add a higher level supervision system that works on BACnet, then you can use our gateway just to communicate this BACnet supervision system just to control the Connex installation. For the M-Bus, okay, here again our tool is offering some extra features just like scanning for the M-Bus meters, okay, and we also have the possibility to import some templates. So in case we have already some of the M-Bus meters as templates, so you don't have and program all the signals one by one, just simply select the template for that specific meter and it uploads directly, okay. So that easily it helps a lot, sorry, just to make the integration. And for Modbus, okay, standard integration for Modbus slave devices, okay, and into a BACnet systems. And here again, we also offer the opportunity of using some templates for some Modbus devices, okay. So you don't have to go and write down on the signals, but you can import directly or even create your own templates. Okay, and now just the other way around, okay. Now our box is acting as a BACnet client, okay. So in this case, we offer integration from other systems to BACnet devices. Okay, so imagine they have an RC-based system, just like Crestron controller, AMX controller, Extron controllers. Okay, so you can connect to our box. Okay, and then just connect to other systems. Okay, that offer a BACnet server interface, maybe some BMS that has this role as well of a BACnet server, or some, I don't know, BACnet MSTP controllers, HVAC systems, okay, this kind of stuff, sorry. And in Connex, okay, so we have the other way around. Okay, imagine that you want to integrate some of BACnet devices into a Connex installation. We also offer these projects, this type of projects, okay. So in this case, our BACnet interface will ask for the BACnet server for all this information, okay. The same for Modbus, okay, where it's the other way around, where the controller or the BMS is for the M-Bus, okay? So, concluding, what we offer from the devices, we have USB storage, from front panel LED indication, templates, okay, conversions. I just forgot to mention that for the M-Bus, we also include the level converter, so you don't need to use that one, okay, or to buy a new one. Micro USB connection, multi-protocol, data recovery, BACnet VTL certification, BACnet MSTP and IP, and last but not least, a very powerful software, okay? And with all of this, what we are offering with Intesis Box Maps is an easy, robust, and reliable and secure solutions. So thanks for your attention, and if you have any question, just don't hesitate to ask. And if not, if you later on want to visit us in our hall, we are in hall 9.1, okay, in the stand A96. Okay, thank you very much.